fabulous, the one, the only Country Roads. You are here because you already know this song is amazing and you know you want to be able to play it next time you're at a party or a campfire or something, and I'm here to help you do that. So we're going to do a little lesson on how to play the chords and the strumming pattern, and then at the end we'll do a sing-along where we play it together. The first thing I want you guys to do, go to mechanicsmusic.com, download this chart. It's got the chords, it's got the lyrics, it's got the strumming pattern, everything is on there. I've got my own printed copy here. You can follow along using that. It's also part of our Campfire Sing-Along book. I've got my book in this binder and all my pages are in page protectors. We've got book 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has so many different songs in it. We got the Beatles, we got Tom Petty, we got Bob Dylan, we got Glenn Campbell, obviously John Denver, Queen, so many cool songs. You can download the whole book. And also when you guys download stuff from our website, it helps support the channel. It helps me pay my rent. It helps me buy more guitars, you know. So I appreciate that. And also, gotta say, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, all that sort of stuff. Anyways, on to the chords. I have my capo on the 4th fret, by the way, and John Denver plays it on the 2nd fret. So if you want to play along with his recording, put your capo on the 2nd fret. But I don't want to sing quite that low as John Denver does. He really hits some low notes, so I've just capoed it up a little bit, and I'm in the key of B now. But we're going to play G chords. So that's our first chord we need, G. And I'm going to use my G with my 2 fingers, as always. Then we have D chord. I've got E minor. You can do E minor with those 2 fingers, with these 2 fingers. And then we have C. Stretchy C is good. C add 9 also works. Ooh. There's going to be a little spot where a D7 is going to sound really nice. And then the last dreaded chord, the F chord. You can play just the bottom 4 strings of an F chord. You can add the pinky to that mix, or you could do a full bar chord F. It's only for 1 bar. You can do it, you guys, I promise. I can hear my students in my head saying, we're gonna just skip the F chord, we don't need it. But I encourage you to try it, just do it. You're gonna need the F chord in all your songs, and if you just spend some time working on it, I know it's painful, trust me, I was where you're at. One other little chord you guys will catch me using is pinky G. So when I'm going from stretchy C to G chord, sometimes it's just really easy to do that little move. Now, the strumming pattern. If you want to make this a super country vibe, I want you to do the pluck strum, which is where I pluck the root note of the chord and then I strum. So for my G chord, I'm plucking the E string. As always, I'm going to say this probably in every video ever, pluck and rest your pick on the string below. Pluck, strum, pluck, strum. When I go to my D chord, my root note is going to be my D string. So I'm going to pluck that. And then E minor, the root note is the E string. And then for C, whether you're doing stretchy C or C add 9, the root note is the C right there. F chord, just in case you want to do pluck strum for F, the F root note is the D string, 3rd fret. And D7 root note would also be D. Okay? So you could do pluck strum, and what I might recommend is just a pluck strum in the verses, and when you get to the chorus, you're going to add a little up strum. 1, pluck, down, up, pluck. Don't get too stressed out over the pluck. Like if you hit 2 strings, like if I don't hit exactly the one and only root note, it's still gonna sound cool because what we're trying to get is that boom, chaka, especially if you're not playing with a bass player or something. You're just trying to get that. So I'm hitting maybe 2, sometimes even 3 strings on that first little mini kind of accented strum. Or if you want, just really try to get that pluck strum. Okay, so as always, play play around with it. Find what you think sounds good. We're doing our own little cover version of this song, and we're just playing it so we can have fun and play music. So you guys find what feels good to you and just do it. Have fun. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a few more strums. I'm gonna use strumming pattern 8, which, by the way, strumming pattern 8 is just what I call it. I also have this strumming pattern and chord change page, which I encourage you guys to download and practice along with. Strumming pattern 8 is down, down, up, down, up. Change the first strum to be a pluck instead of a strum. Pluck, down, up, pluck, down, up, down. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. I do this all the time. So many folk and country songs use this strumming pattern. This is what we did in Wagon Wheel. If you guys saw that video, another fabulous song. I think we're ready to go. We've got the chords, we've got the capo on the 4th fret. I hope you guys have downloaded the chart. We're gonna start with a few bars on G with just the pluck strum. We'll start it out nice country. We'll see what happens. Pluck strum, pluck strum. 1, 2, 3, almost heaven. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, young also do G, B, G. Take me home, country road. Ooh, that's called a cadence, everybody. Cool, thank you for playing along. Great job. Practice as much as you can. I think you're gonna rock this at the next campfire or house party or whatever. Just play it for yourself. I hope you guys keep strumming, keep smiling, like this video, share this video, and we'll see you next time.